Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. There was a problem sending a verification code to your number. Please enter a different number. If you just created a new YouTube channel and you want to upload a custom thumbnail, you might be greeted with this error. So I have seen so many videos on YouTube telling you to try this, try that, telling you to give a space between the numbers, telling you to do all those shenanigans. Some numbers just don't work. They don't work. I've tried it multiple times. It doesn't work. The only fix is here is to use a different number. In some countries like Nigeria, Airtel number don't work. Sometimes Etisalat number don't work. This only work for one-time verification for them to see if you're a robot, if you're a real human. So even if you use someone's number, it doesn't matter. It doesn't connect to your Google account. So if you have two numbers, use another number from a different ISP. So I'm going to use my second number in this video. You can see that it works perfectly fine. This one here is Airtel. I'm going to try MTN. I'm going to paste it here and click text me. As you can see, they have sent me a verification 6-digit verification code to that number. So let me go and bring it out. This is the pin for YouTube verification. You can see that this number works. So that's how you fix it. I hope this video helps you. Subscribe to my channel and like the video for more tutorials like this. That's all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.